It is Dixie chopper modification time. This is a 21-year-old Dixie chopper Silver Eagle. And when I bought it, it was eating belts. It was put together wrong. I didn't notice that right away. And the belt flew off. The idler assembly went underneath and got bent up, and I didn't straighten it right. Oh, air compressor. We're going to use air tools. When I called the dealer, they said that part's not available anymore. It's an assembly now, and it will fix everything. So here we go. We're going to fix everything. I think the first step is going to be to get it up in the air so I can work under it. And yeah, I know it looks dangerous, but I'll put some blocking under it also. There we go. I may be an old fat guy, but I can get under that. Are you ready for this? I'm not sure I am. I'm having trouble reaching it, getting hands in there. You ready for the noise? One loose. And oh, whoopee. I can't get in this one. There, I think it's on there. And it is out. Now let's see what it takes to get the other one in. Or let's compare them. And there they are, side by side. So now, how do you install it? Maybe I'll have to go watch a YouTube video. I'm going to be out here working in the dark if this keeps up. The bolts shipped do not fit. So I need to drill the parts. They fit the chassis, the frame of the Dixie chopper just fine, but they won't fit the new parts. You know, the bolts that shipped with the new parts. Oh well, such is life. Oh, another experience. The part is too tall for my drill press. So we're gonna do this free-handed, and you get to see the accident. Second one in there now. That's actually a 3/8 bit. Apparently I can't get the second one in there. Not and turn the handle. We shall get the other drill and do it that way. This is why 20-minute projects take 2 hours. See if I can do this without tearing the spring up. Ooh, almost. That's why I wanted to use the drill press. I don't think I drilled much out of those holes. Not much more than the powder coating. So maybe they were 3/8 and then they powder coated it really nice and thick. We're ready to buzz these back in here, and then we'll tension the spring that holds the belt tight. And I'll flip the switch, and if no parts fly out, we'll run over to the cemetery and we'll test the world's fastest lawnmower on the world's roughest maintained cemetery. Get ready. I believe we're ready for belt tensioning, and we'll drop her back to the ground and see how many parts fly out from underneath. Remember, This isn't the right way to do it. It's just the way I did it. And I used all of the parts, so it must be right. Right? Going down. We shouldn't even have to start it for this. All right, let's move you to the other side. That's the discharge side. And when I hit the button, you'll get a better view of whatever parts fly out. That's close enough. I guess we can see if anything flies out. It's done. Let's go mow the cemetery. I had a failure of the camera at the cemetery, so now we're going to test it here, get it on video. It mowed fine. The failure of the camera was operator error. So let's try it here on one of my outlots where the grass is thicker and taller than the cemetery was anyway. It definitely lightened my wallet, but other than that, I don't think that modification gained me anything. It's almost as noisy as it was before. Better peace of mind. It's not flopping around and looking like it's going to come apart at any moment. This is a much better design, I'm sure. And with that, we'll put it away for another year because it's late September. I hope not to need it again this year. See you later.